tough week for Bowling Green, coming off the low point of the season in the Battle of I-75. With a young squad, it's still a learning experience, and head coach Scott Leffler still feels his program is on the right track with the 5-year plan they have in place. 2 games remaining on the schedule. Falcons are at Miami Tuesday and finish out the season at Deutsch Perry, welcoming Ohio. So there's still time to continue to move the needle and get the team back to where they need to be.
This is a great opportunity for us to get some momentum and get ourselves into a great off season. But you know, these 2 weeks we can improve and we can move the needle of our program. Every week we've tried to do that. There's only been 2 disappointing weeks that we've had in terms of improvement, and that was Toledo and that was obviously Eastern Michigan. And I thought the Toledo game, very similar to my comments after the game. I thought our preparation was fine. I thought our want to and our will was fine. The fact of the matter is they had some really good players against some of our guys that you know is our weakness right now. But those guys are going to improve. They're going to get better. And it was just a tough matchup game for us. We had a hard time getting anything going whatsoever.